Imagine this, you wake up in the morning, your robot chef has already prepared a delicious breakfast, a cleaning robot has tidied up your living room. This is the future of domestic robots. These helpful machines are changing how we live. Let's explore the world of domestic robots and their impact on our daily lives. A domestic robot is a type of robot designed for home use. These robots help with household tasks. They can clean floors, mow lawns, and even fold laundry. Domestic robots are becoming increasingly popular. They offer convenience and make our lives easier. There are many types of domestic robots. Each type serves a specific purpose. Robot vacuums are very popular. They clean floors automatically. Robot lawnmowers keep your yard tidy without any effort. There are even robot companions that provide entertainment and companionship. Robot cleaners are revolutionizing housework. Robot vacuums are small and can navigate around furniture. They use sensors to avoid obstacles and stairs. Some robot cleaners can even mop floors. These robots save time and effort. They allow people to focus on other tasks or simply relax. Section 5. Robot chefs and kitchen assistants. Imagine a robot that can cook your favorite meals. Robot chefs are still in development. However, they have the potential to change how we cook. Some robots can already assist with basic kitchen tasks. They can chop vegetables, mix ingredients, and even load the dishwasher. Section 6. Robot companions. More than just machines. Robot companions provide companionship and entertainment. These robots can interact with people. They can play games, tell stories, and even provide emotional support. Robot companions are especially helpful for elderly individuals or people who live alone. They offer a sense of connection and reduce feelings of loneliness. Section 7. Security robots keeping our homes safe. Security robots are becoming increasingly important. These robots patrol your home and monitor for suspicious activity. They can send alerts to your phone if they detect anything unusual. Some security robots have facial recognition technology. This allows them to identify familiar faces and strangers. Section 8. Benefits of domestic robots, time and convenience. Domestic robots offer numerous benefits. They are becoming an integral part of modern households, transforming the way we manage our daily routines. One of the biggest advantages is time savings. Imagine coming home after a long day at work to find that your floors are already clean, your laundry is done, and dinner is being prepared. These robots free up our time from mundane chores. Tasks that used to take hours can now be completed in a fraction of the time, thanks to the efficiency and precision of these machines. This allows us to focus on more important things like spending time with family or pursuing hobbies. Instead of spending weekends cleaning and organizing, families can now enjoy more quality time together, creating lasting memories. Domestic robots also provide convenience. They can be programmed to perform tasks at specific times, ensuring that your home runs smoothly even when you're not around. They can handle tasks that we may find difficult or time-consuming. For instance, robots can assist with heavy lifting, intricate cooking tasks, or even provide companionship for the elderly or those with disabilities. The convenience of having a robot to take care of these tasks cannot be overstated. It means less stress and more time to focus on what truly matters in life. With the extra time and convenience provided by domestic robots, families can engage in leisure activities, travel, or simply relax without the constant worry of household chores. Modern domestic robots come equipped with smart features, allowing them to learn and adapt to your preferences. This means they become more efficient over time, further enhancing their usefulness. Some domestic robots even contribute to home security, monitoring your home and alerting you to any unusual activity. This adds an extra layer of peace of mind. As technology continues to advance, the role of domestic robots in our lives is only set to grow. They will become even more capable, taking on more complex tasks and integrating seamlessly into our daily routines. Embracing domestic robots means embracing a future where time and convenience are no longer luxuries, but standard aspects of everyday life. This shift allows us to live more balanced, fulfilling lives. Section 9. Challenges of domestic robots, cost and privacy. Despite the benefits, there are also challenges associated with domestic robots. Cost is a major factor. These robots can be expensive to purchase. This makes them inaccessible to many people. Privacy is another concern. Domestic robots collect data about our homes and habits. It's important to ensure that this data is protected. Section 10. The future of domestic robots. Smarter and more affordable. Imagine a world where your home is filled with intelligent machines that can assist you with everyday tasks, making your life easier and more efficient. The future of domestic robots is bright. These robots are not just a distant dream. They are becoming a reality faster than we might have anticipated. As technology advances, robots are becoming smarter and more capable. They are equipped with sophisticated sensors and artificial intelligence that allow them to perform complex tasks with precision and efficiency. Researchers are developing robots that can learn from their surroundings and adapt to new situations. This means that these robots can understand and respond to the unique needs of each household, making them incredibly versatile. The cost of domestic robots is also expected to decrease. As production techniques improve and technology becomes more widespread, the price of these advanced machines will become more affordable. This will make them more accessible to a wider range of consumers. No longer will advanced robotic assistance be a luxury only available to the wealthy. It will be within reach for many households. Imagine a robot that can help you with cleaning, cooking, and even taking care of your pets. These robots will be able to handle a variety of tasks, freeing up your time for more important activities. For the elderly and those with disabilities, domestic robots can provide invaluable assistance and companionship. They can help with mobility, medication reminders, and even offer social interaction, improving the quality of life for many. For families with children, robots can serve as educational tools, helping kids learn new skills and concepts in a fun and interactive way. They can also ensure the safety of children by monitoring their activities and alerting parents if needed. Integrating with smart home systems, these robots can also enhance home security. They can monitor for intruders, detect fires, and even manage energy consumption, making your home safer and more efficient. The seamless integration of robots into our daily lives is not just a possibility, it is an impending reality. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see a significant transformation in how we live and interact with our homes. The future of domestic robots is indeed smarter and more affordable. With ongoing advancements and decreasing costs, these intelligent machines will soon become an integral part of our everyday lives, revolutionizing the way we live and work at home. Section 11. Conclusion: domestic robots are here to stay. Domestic robots are transforming our homes in ways we could have only imagined a few decades ago. These intelligent machines are not just a glimpse into the future. They are a reality that is becoming increasingly common in households around the world. From vacuuming the floors to mowing the lawn, domestic robots are taking over mundane tasks, allowing us to focus on more important aspects of our lives. From cleaning robots to robot companions, these machines are making our lives easier and more convenient. Imagine coming home to a clean house without lifting a finger, or having a robot companion that can assist with daily tasks and even provide emotional support. These robots are designed to integrate seamlessly into our daily routines, enhancing our quality of life in numerous ways. While there are challenges to overcome, the future of domestic robots is full of possibilities. One of the main challenges is ensuring these robots can operate safely and efficiently in diverse home environments. Additionally, there are concerns about privacy and the ethical implications of having robots in our personal spaces. However, with ongoing research and development, these challenges are being addressed, paving the way for a future where domestic robots are an integral part of our lives. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative and helpful domestic robots in the years to come. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning is enabling these robots to become smarter and more adaptable. Future domestic robots may be able to learn our preferences, anticipate our needs, and even interact with other smart devices in our homes. The possibilities are endless, and the impact on our daily lives will be profound. Domestic robots are not just a trend, they are here to stay, and they are set to revolutionize the way we live.